Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I want to give you guys a look at these beautiful wall sconce lights that my husband just got installed for us. Before I show you what the lights look like in an evening setting so you can get an idea of the lighting effect that it has, I want to run you through the installation process. I'm going to do a little unboxing and then we'll get them installed. Here's a look at how everything arrives. These lights come with all that you need for installation. You get an easy to follow installation guide, hardware for hanging and wiring, and the bracket comes attached to the light, so my husband got those removed in preparation for the install, and they were ready to go up. So for installation, my husband got the bracket attached to the electrical box. Then he connected the ground wire before getting the line and neutral wires connected. Lastly, he secured the light to the bracket, and we simply repeated the process for the second light, and installation was complete. So installation is as simple as it gets, and these lights are certainly gorgeous. They are very modern and sleek. I love how thin they are. They don't stick way out from the wall, so they almost feel space-saving in a sense, and these would be beautiful in many different places around your home. We have these here on our back porch, and they complement the space really well. I love the 360 light that this gives off, and it gives off a backlight effect, so it's not overly bright. It definitely helps create a more cozy, comforting space rather than a bright, harsh light. And it pairs really nicely with the warm string lights that we have installed back here as well. So I absolutely love these, and they feel nice and durable. The main shell of the lights is a metal, and then you've got the acrylic that covers the LED light. The warmth of the LED is 3000 K, so if you are looking for a warmer light, these would be a really great choice. The size of them gives them a very grand, luxurious feel, but the style of them is nice and modern, so they're going to easily complement a range of different spaces. If you guys were looking for a wonderful set of wall-mounted lights for outdoors that's nice and weatherproof, this is such a great choice. I think you guys would love them. I would definitely give them a try.